Welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a 2018 Deep Impact Blue Transit Connect with a brand new Mini T conversion. This conversion also comes with an awning, over-the-air antenna, solar, max air fan, TV, DVD player, refrigerator. Here we have the 43 by 72 inch bed, sink, 2000 watt inverter, house batteries. This vehicle has cloth front seats. This vehicle has 31,389 miles on it. It has navigation, CD player, Has the power driver side seat. This vehicle has the rear doors, the split doors. Check out all the details at www.dlm-distribution.com or give us a call 651-285-7089. Happy camping!